How to integrate DeepSeek in Cursor. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate DeepSeek with Cursor to enhance your coding experience with AI assistance. Cursor
Cursor
is an
is an
AI-powered
AI-powered
coding tool
coding
that
tool that
lets you
lets you
interact with
interact with
models like
models like
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
To
To
integrate
integrate
DeepSeek, you
DeepSeek, you
can
can
open
open
Cursor
Cursor
and go
and
to
go
its
to its
settings.
settings.
Look for the
Look for the
custom
custom
model
model
section or
section or
API key
API key
area where
area
you
where
can
you can
input
input
third-party
third-party
keys.
keys.
Now go
Now
to
go to
DeepSeek's
DeepSeek's
platform,
platform,
generate your
generate your
API
API
key, and
key, and
copy
copy
it.
it.
Paste the
Paste
key
the key
into the
into the
designed
designed
or
or
designated
designated
area in
area in
Cursor.
Cursor.
Once
Once
done, you'll
done,
have
you'll have
access to
access to
DeepSeek's
DeepSeek's
AI
AI
features,
features,
allowing you to
allowing you to
ask
ask
coding-related
coding-related
questions,
questions,
debug
debug
scripts, and
scripts, and
generate
generate
code
code
snippets just
snippets
like
just
you
like
would
you
with
would with
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
You can
You can
also
also
customize how
customize how
DeepSeek
DeepSeek
responds,
responds,
including the
including the
temperature
temperature
for
for
creativity and
creativity and
context
context
length.
length.
This is
This is
especially
especially
useful
useful
for
for
developers who
developers who
want a
want a
different
different
tone or
tone
more
or more
control
control
compared to
compared to
standard
standard
tools.
tools.
DeepSeek
DeepSeek
works well
works
for
well for
software
software
developer
developer
tasks,
tasks,
and by
and by
using it
using it
inside
inside
Cursor,
Cursor,
you
you
streamline your
streamline your
workflow with
workflow with
fast,
fast,
smart
smart
adjustments
adjustments
tailored to
to
your
your
code
code
base.
base.
And that's
And
how
that's
you
how you
integrate
integrate
DeepSeek
DeepSeek
in
in
Cursor.
Cursor.